In a small urban balcony, a rain garden begins as a simple tray of soil, catching every rooftop drop. Over weeks, a tiny tapestry of native plants grows, sipping water, filtering waste, and teaching neighbors to reuse gutters and barrels. Every storm becomes a lesson in patience as frogs hum, pollinators arrive, and the city slows to listen. The neighbors document savings on irrigation and fertilizer, realizing sustainability is not a sprint, but a shared rhythm. By embracing the garden, the block learns to turn ordinary rain into a cooperative lifeline for a greener future.